Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to allow WhatsApp to access contact on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then scroll down to WhatsApp. So just keep scrolling until you get to WhatsApp. And then select it. Once you selected WhatsApp, locate contact and click on it. Then select full access. And then click on allow full access. Then that is it. Now, if you go back to your WhatsApp on your iPhone and then open it on the chat page, then you should have access to all your contacts on your WhatsApp like this. If you go to call, update, then your contact will be accessible on the WhatsApp application. So that's exactly how to allow contact access on WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.